Hey, John. What was some of your stories from 113? John. 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 You don't sit there and ignore me, huh? Look at that nigga. Look at those platinums. Look at this nigga. Bum ass. What kind of hoodie is that? Oh.
Oh, I'll cut your ass from a deep, dark place. Deep, dark from my soul. Oh, I got my comedy team right here. Who, if you try to come at me, the skies will turn black. Oh, my God.
The walls will turn gray and come down upon you.
With my swipe my finger, lightness will come out. Bum ass nigga.
Oh, lightning. Bum ass nigga. Bum ass nigga. That's all you gonna hear.
Don't do it. Don't do it.
Don't do it yourself.
Them cubics is going in the air. Don't do it.
That's all you gonna hear.
Look at these two assholes.
Fuck you up.
Yo.
Put that on Facebook.
Yo, these niggas be bugging like that ass. Oh shit. I was talking about.
Skies will turn black.
Oh my God, the mountains will tremble.
You know what else will turn black?
Yo.
Oh, Ty. You got Ty.
Yo, you heard?
You about to say something.
Mixtape?
Go ahead, Bass God.
Oh, come on, man.
Yellow. That's what's right?
YOLO.
Yellow. Nah.
You heard the mixtape?
Yeah, yo. Yeah, something like, yo, we got the crew out here on that. 2 for the first hand.
It
Yo,
means
White Plains out here.
You know where it came from?
you only live once.